How to find and use the templates on the CapCut. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go and open up your CapCut. Now here is the option of the templates, you have to click on it. Now as you can see that there is the many templates, and if you go in the top, here is the list of the templates like following, for you, beat, meme. And if you scroll from the right side, here is the lyric videos, matching, and there is the many more option as you want to select. There is also option of the vlog, like here is all of the templates available, but if you want to find any of the, you just have to go in the search, and here you have to search the template name. And after that, here is all of the list of templates, so you just have to click on the one that you want and click on this use template icon. So once it is loaded, here you are able to use this template by adding your media like video, and you can also add the audio or the text as you want. There is the many more options. So after do all of these steps, you just have to click on the export. So this is how you can find and use the templates in the CapCut. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.